Establishing causation objectives for section 4.3. We got 7 of them here. Identify 3 ways in which association can be explained. Explain what process provides the best evidence for causation. Define this idea of a common response. Define what it means to be confounded. Discuss why experiments are not always possible. Explain why cause and effects does not mean, or lack of evidence does not mean that a relationship isn't there. There's 5 criteria to establish causation if we can't conduct an experiment. The question of causation. There's post hoc ergo propter hoc. Basically, hindsight's 2020. The idea is that just because we see it after the fact doesn't mean it was always there, and it may not be. For example, I'm a sports fan. I know not everybody is, but we talk about how so maybe a coach made a certain call. So a coach makes a call and it backfires. Well, everybody then will say, "Oh, that was clearly a bad choice." Or maybe it works. And then oh, that was a genius call, genius call. Well, the judgment is made after the fact. To establish causation, we can't wait till after that. Seek it out. We have to try to show it from the beginning. For the most part, I don't like to put in a lot of the cartoons that they put in on the textbooks, but I think this one's kind of, gets to the heart of the matter in a silly way. So this is from the family circus, and the daughter here is telling the brother that when their daddy sleeps, that makes his whiskers grow. But we know that that's not true. That is not a causal relationship. Now, here's a picture of a causation relationship. This is what we want. We want an explanatory variable to clearly cause a response variable. That's what we hope to have. There is no issues of confusion at all. There are 2 other types of association, though. One can be what we refer to as a common response. Here is our lurking variable. So what we're saying is maybe instead of X causing Y, it's really something else causing them both to happen. This is that exact example of the ice cream. So we think ice cream causes drowning deaths. No. Hot temperatures cause people to buy more ice cream to go swimming, which increases the drowning deaths. Our third type of association is what we refer to as confounding. So the idea here is that we think X causes Y, but maybe Z is really causing Y. Here's an example. Let's say we want to lose weight, and we're in the process of losing weight. And I'm going to tell you that I'm losing weight because I am exercising. Or is it because I'm eating healthy? So which one of these is actually causing the weight loss? I don't know. Now, that's a simplistic example, but that's the 3 different types of association we have.